Today I will show you how can do a photo merge in any design you want. And I am not talking about merging two photos. You could say print merge or data merge or even mail merge, but with photos. At the end of this video I will have employee cards for these 4 images by performing a data merge. So let's start with what you need. The first thing you need is a Excel sheet that contain information like this. It can contain any amount of information like this with number of rows. The column that contain the image should have its first column start with @ symbol. And you could add a single apostrophe before the @ symbol. This column will contain path to your image file. Again, if image is located in same directory as your Excel file, then you can write image file name only with the extension, in my case JPEG. It's time to save the file. To save, go to Save As option. And in here, carefully select CSV, delimited, formatted. This won't work if you select other formats such as Excel. After saving that, in the same directory as images, it's time to work on design. Now, I will open CorelDRAW, but don't worry if you are not using CorelDRAW, because this exact thing will work on any graphic software. It doesn't matter whether you are a Illustrator designer or CorelDRAW designer. I will open the design in CorelDRAW, so you will have your design on your designing software. Now remove all the texts you need to insert from the CSV file you create earlier. Don't worry you can later add these texts with any styling you wish. You might be wondering why are we removing these texts. That's because CorelDRAW does not have photo merge feature by itself. But of course you can pay for a macro that is suitable for your CorelDRAW version. But we are not going to pay for it, because I am about to show you a method to do it for free and it will not drop the quality of your design. Now go to Export option in your designing folder and carefully choose EPS, encapsulated PostScript, format. We are selecting this format because it won't drop the quality of your artwork. Now we will open the Adobe InDesign software. Just in case you haven't heard of it, it's a Adobe program like Illustrator and Photoshop. And if you have any question about how you can get these for free, make sure to check my blog. Or you can always go to adobe.com and subscribe for a plan. Create a new document just like in any other graphics software and let's import our artwork. As you can see, the quality of my artwork remains same. Ooh, I forgot to add a heading, let me add a one. And it's very similar to other softwares, and even style like you style in other graphic softwares. Now for the image, let's add a rectangle that will contain the image. You could make this rectangle border to be 0 pixels, if you don't want any outline for picture. Now I will add a text holder to add the name and job details. Now you can design these texts just like we did before. Now, I will do the print merge, or in the InDesign we call it data merge. Go to Windows, Utilities and select Data Merge. Once selected, you can see the instruction in Data Merge panel. Click on this icon and click the Select Data Source. Now choose the CSV file we created earlier. Now in here you can see those fields on the CSV sheet. Just drag and drop the image field to the rectangle we created earlier. For texts you need to select the text in the place you want CSV field to appear, and click to CSV field. Once done, tick the preview option so you can see what you have created. Check other pages and see if you need to adjust anything. If needed, you can adjust even with the preview button ticked. This way you will know exactly what is the output. When you are ready, click Export to PDF button, so you can save this file in PDF format for printing purpose. Under the option you can change image fitting to be any way you like. I will fill the rectangle with image proportionally and also center the image. Once satisfied, click OK, and in the dialog you can leave everything to default. Now save the PDF in any location you prefer. The completion dialog will show if you overset any text or not. Once you open the PDF file, you can see all cards we generated with images. As you can see, the quality of this design and images is super. If you learn anything new in this video and want to learn more in future, make sure to subscribe and share this YouTube channel with everyone.